Hello everyone. I have for you diary entry. It's one of your writing skills and I'll be teaching you the format. I'll explain it with some tips. There's a sample and questions for you to practice. So let's enjoy learning together. Okay, so I make a connection of diary entry with yesteryears. You know, people used to maintain a personal diary to write the main happenings or events of the day, and it served as a kind of a reminiscence, meaning they could remember, they could just walk back in the memory lane, flip back the pages of the diary, and remember the events that happened in their lives last year or maybe 2 years back, etc. Well, why didn't they just pick up the phones and kind of used it or a photograph? Simple. There were no phones those days. There was no internet. There was no TV. So they possessed the art of writing, my dear. And well, you will also improve in the art of diary writing because I'm going to explain it to you, isn't it? Let's go further. Format of diary entry. So what do we have? These three lines. Oh, let me get a better cursor. This is not looking good. Here. Yeah. These three lines. We should start with the day, the month, and the year. Leave a line. For better presentation, we leave a line. Write the time and write dear diary. Okay. Now, why do we write day, date, time? Because if you want to kind of flip back on which day this event happened, if you don't write these specifics, what will you have? Just the body. And you won't know, oh, did it happen on a Thursday? Or at this time, 10 o'clock? What? You won't know anything till the time you write these. Okay? So start with Dear Diary. Now, you might wonder, diary? Is it a living being? Is it a person? Well, no. You are writing to your own self. Okay, now here I haven't made a whole paragraph for you. I have just given the opening lines, meaning, well, sometimes I see that many of you fumble. Oh, how should we start this paragraph, this diary entry, the story writing? So, the starting is very difficult. So once you have the opening lines in place, the ideas keep flashing in. So these are the opening lines which will help you in your exams. First one, it was a memorable day today as whatever happened, give details and the feelings. Today was an exciting and eventful day. Today, while I was cleaning my cupboard, this happened. Today is the third day away from home. I don't know whether to feel happy or sad. We'll be moving to America soon. So these are the opening lines and many more depending on your question. What is the word limit of this paragraph? Oh, that's the beauty of it. Just 50 words, my dear. Yes, you just have to write the specific what happened and you're sorted out. Now, once this body is done, leave a line and just give one more kind of a feeling attached with it, that you're feeling very happy or you're feeling content or you're feeling sad, whatever is the question. And then leave a line, write your name. No need to write your surname, my dear. In your higher classes, you're not allowed to write your name. You will just write ABC or XYZ. Okay, fine. Now, some tips and benefits. Tips: be very natural. You are writing to your own self. Nobody's going to read your diary. Be very truthful. Make it a habit and keep writing so that you get a hang of how to write and maintain a record of whatever happened in your life today or yesterday. Benefits: you will improve in the art of writing. You will enjoy reading your own diary. It will reduce your stress. Now, sometimes it happens that we have had a very bad experience today and we don't know whom to share our stress with, it's okay to write down. You will feel de-stressed. And it's good for your memory. Some questions for you. This I made it myself just to kindle interest. You met your favorite Bollywood or Hollywood actor today. Write a diary entry in about 50 words. Wow, what a good question. Second one. Recently, you attended a luxurious wedding. Write a diary entry in about 50 words about the wastage of food and resources. Today was the first time that you traveled by airplane. Write a diary entry. So practice these three questions and I'm sure you will enjoy writing it. Okay, all the best.